Hello dear students, so today we will talk about Ohm's law. Okay, we will firstly talk about this, then we will go through the VI and IV graph which is related to this particular law and which are very important also. So according to this law, if physical conditions such as temperature and pressure are kept constant, then the potential difference across the ends of a conductor will be directly proportional to the current flowing through it. What is the meaning of this? Suppose if we are having a conductor, it is a current carrying conducting wire, and we have connected it through a battery, like one will have a positive end and second one will be the negative end. So according to Ohm's law, if physical conditions if physical conditions such as temperature and pressure are kept constant, only in that particular case the potential difference across the ends A and across the end B will be directly proportional to the current flowing through it. It means that if potential difference V will increase, then current I will also increase across the throughout the conductor, means V will be directly proportional to the I. You know the meaning of directly proportional. Suppose if V is increasing continuously, then current I will also increase. So if we will remove this proportionality sign, we will get V equals to I R. And what is the meaning of this? Here what is R? This R is the proportionality constant, and this R is also known as resistance of the conductor. What is the meaning of the resistance? Resistance means anything which resists the flow of the electron. And what will be these things? These things will be the different electrons present inside the conductor, different ions present inside the conductor, which will create the problem for the easily flow of the or we can say for the flow of the electron inside the conductor. Okay, but Ohm's law will be applicable only when physical conditions such as temperature and pressure are remains constant. What will happen if the physical condition will not be constant and temperature and pressure will be varying? Suppose temperature is increasing and pressure is also increasing, then simply meaning of that is will be like if temperature and pressure increase, the movement of the electron and ions inside the conductor will also increase, which in result will also increase the collision inside the conductor. Due to the increased collision, the resistance inside the conductor will also increase. If the resistance will increase, it means it will not follow the Ohm's law, which says that V is directly proportional to I, and here R will be a constant. R means resistance will be a constant, but due to the increase in the temperature and pressure, R will not be a constant. If R will not be a constant, then this conductor will not follow the Ohm's law.